3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up guys? As y'all probably know, I moved to Germany recently and I'm in need of a car. So I decided to buy a German since I am in Germany and it's only the right thing to do, right? So I had a couple options. I could have got a BMW, a Porsche, a Benz, but you know what? I went with the best car possible. I got this 2024 Volkswagen T-Rod. It's like, nah, you guys know me better than that. I wouldn't buy this car. I mean, I've had it for the last 4 months. I drove all through Europe with it, but it's just not the car for me. It might have something to do with the fact that it only has 150 horsepower, possibly. But anyways, my car just got here today, so let's go check it out. I barely got any sleep last night. I was too excited for this car. Yeah. But you know, look how beautiful the weather is though.
I don't think so.
It's not a beautiful day, but it's a great day. Alright, we out here at Bavarian Motor Cars in Germany, Ramstein. We're gonna go see Robert. Check out his red one. You'll be helping me out?
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. Are you excited?
Yeah, very.
Okay. I'll take this. I'll get the paperwork going.
Ooh. Finally getting a little bit more horsepower from that 150.
I can't stand.
I wonder if it has a limiter on it though. Yeah, I know these BMWs normally have a limiter. A limiter.
Yeah.
When you first buy a new car. Oh wait, I wasn't even supposed to tell them it was a BMW. I mean, I guess it's pretty obvious by now, right?
No.
Hey, but what model is it though?
First things first.
You cool being recorded, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
As long as I get paid. Just kidding. So that's you. This is the car. This is your license plate. Your warranty began the day that you Perfect. That's it. So that's it for the paperwork stuff.
3, 2, 1.
We're gonna start on the passenger side together and we'll loop our way around. You'll end up in the car. So, all of your doors have comfort access, meaning anytime the key is on your person or any other vehicle, if you put your hand in it, it unlocks. And if we hold down these little ridges, it locks. This right here is spring loaded, so when the car is unlocked, this is unlocked. We have this nice little holdy thing right here to keep it from scratching that beautiful paint. And then this right here is for AdBlue, which is only for diesel vehicles. You don't have one, but they just kind of integrated it into all of the models. And when the car's locked, no one's gonna siphon your gas, so you got lucky. So, right here, warning triangle, first aid kit, US brackets. And just throw them in your garage until you leave.
Also, I guess I need to buy all of it.
No, did you?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Did you keep the receipt?
Yeah. Yeah, probably.
We're always going to be doing
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, thanks.
Perfect. So this just to close the trunk, this to close the trunk and lock the vehicle. Around here, I'll show you some things before I have you get inside. So, right here. These are our lights. Right now you have your automatic daytime lights on, but you can completely customize it as you would any other vehicle. Do you want to leave them on?
Yes, fine.
Okay, perfect. That right here is your trunk button. Right here we can adjust your mirrors. If you are ever in a tight space and you need your mirrors to fold in, you can push this no matter what gear you're in, and it opens and closes your mirrors. We can also set it so that when you shut the car off, it automatically folds them in. So that's an option we can play with later.
Okay.
You also, this right here is to adjust the mirror sides, but if we keep it pushed to the side, then it will automatically tilt down your mirror so you can see the ground behind you. And then when you're back in drive, it puts them in the upright position.
Cool.
Yes. And then your basic features. As far as under the hood, do you want to see it?
Actually, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. So you have a 2-time pull, once to unlock it, twice to pop it. So I'm going to have you do that just so we can say you've done it. So 1, 2. And then it's on hydraulics, so you're not stuck here looking for anything. You can just pop it no matter where you grab it.
It's badass.
I don't really know what I'm looking at, but I know you can't do too much, but you can.
Yeah.
Pull up your windshield wiper fluid
Yeah.
and charge that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna set up some basic stuff. So this is all touch screen. I'm gonna try not to touch it too much because I don't wanna mess it up. So I'm gonna use this down here. As you can see, you don't have any climate settings right here because everything is touch screen as far as that goes. So no matter how deep we are into your settings, no matter what you're playing with, no matter what you're doing, that never leaves. So in your climate settings, you have your heated seats, ventilated seats, all of your basic options. Heated steering wheel is right here. Cruise control is here. You also have your adaptive cruise control. And these are your media and phone settings. Then you have your M toggles. I'll show you those in a second if you're not familiar with them. Windshield wiper, blinker. BC over here stands for board computer. So every time you push that, it just kind of changes what you're being shown here. Easy. Perfect. So you can't check your own oil or anything. There's no dipstick in BMWs.
Yeah.
So everything that's going on with the vehicle, it's going to tell you. It keeps check. She's very smart. She does her own thing and she lets you know whenever something's going on. She lets you know when services are due. She lets you know your tire pressure. She lets you know everything. Perfect. Fun fact, this little minus, if we pull her down, you can add shortcuts. So you can save anything. Live vehicle is a suggestion, but you could have it saved if you'd like to. In order to save something, you would just hold it down and add it to shortcut so that you can get there quickly. And this is my favorite. I'm gonna set the ambient lighting and I'm gonna have you pick a color.
That's hard to pick.
It is really hard.
I guess I'll be switching out in and out. But for now, just keep it red
Okay,
or coral.
yeah. So you can adjust the brightness. It lights up here, it lights up in the back, here, up here, it lights up everywhere, and it looks really, really nice. You have the option to reduce it for nighttime driving, so when it gets dark out, it automatically runs it down a bit so you're not being blinded by the light. Is that something we want to turn on?
Yeah.
Okay. I love that. Good choice. Owner's manual. So you have your physical one in here, but you also have a digital one. So it's really neat because you can search for anything. You have, oh, you can,
Oh wow.
isn't that
That's
cute?
cool.
Come on.
I didn't know about that. Yeah, that's cool.
And then you can also keyboard it. Uh-oh. There we go.
Like what?
Yeah, so you can look through anything. It has a bunch of fun facts. There's a lot of features that you can choose from. For example, right now on your key fob, if we hit the unlock button, it's only going to unlock all doors. Usually it's set to this one, but you can choose. So you can push it once to unlock just your door, push it twice to unlock the other doors, or you can have it so the second you push this button, it unlocks every door. You turn the car on and we'll turn it off. So put your foot on the brake. Now that we've set it up, this is your regular menu. It usually will pull it up to Apple CarPlay. If for whatever reason it doesn't, it's added a little shortcut.
Okay.
So you'll just hit the CarPlay button and then it'll pull up anything that you have going on your phone. Cool. Other than that, right here, if we turn that off, we can go drifting. This right here is for your different cameras. You also have your rear camera, your 360 camera. Yeah. It shows us as an animation, but everything around you is happening in real time.
That's cool.
Yeah. Then you have a car wash camera. So if you do take her through the car wash and you're looking over, it shows you exactly where everything is. That's fun. Okay, perfect. Then your automatic start stop. When it's in sport mode, that is always off. Otherwise, that's always going to be on. If you don't like that feature, you'll always have to manually turn it off. Your start stop, your different M modes. So you have your road, which is your normal, you have your sport. Then setup. These are your M toggles that I mentioned. So you have M1 and M2. Are you familiar with them?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can customize them completely as you'd like. On the Good?
Cool, yep.
Okay. Get you done the customs?
Yep. What's the braking miles on this for the new car? You know,
Yeah.
is there a limiter
So,
on it?
1,000.
1,000 kilometers?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. What's the RPM stuck at?
4.
4?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep. I was going to give you something in a second. Yeah. So your braking period, you don't want to go over 130.
Okay.
Yep. And you don't want to go over 4 RPM.
Okay. 130 and 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
I'll
tough,
try
but it's
sometime.
gonna be worth it,
It's
yeah.
definitely.
Yeah, it's going to be hard, especially because it's such a smooth drive.
Yeah.
But it's going to be so worth it because then you can get on the Autobahn and then
I mean, 130 is pretty cool.
you think it is
Yeah.
until you take this onto the
Yeah.
Autobahn. Yeah.
That's good.
Cool.
Yep, yep.
Okay, good. I'll get your paperwork ready and we'll get you out of here. Perfect. And then, lucky you, I think this is actually really sweet. It is a beautiful BMW and Mini keychain.
Oh, nice.
It is really nice, and it has the little coin for the shopping carts in the economy, or if you play golf. Come on! So cute. That's for you. Keys are in the middle console. I'm gonna have Ramon drive it out,
Okay.
and then it's all you. That's yours as well.
Oh, yeah.
And then this is yours.
Shit. Hey, alright, I'm about to add the first mod on this car, alright? This is gonna give it 5 horsepower. This right here is gonna give it 5 horsepower, alright? Yeah, I gotta center this shit. Man, it's always raining in Germany, bro. Always raining out here. I'm trying to see where it's gonna look even. Where is it even? That look even right there?
That's fine.
Yeah? That look even?
But people will not able to see it.
Is it
when
centered?
you drive.
Is it centered?
Yeah, but people will not
put it
see it
higher?
when, yeah, because if you drive behind you, they cannot see it.
No, I'm thinking I'm gonna put it here. I think
Yeah, then
that's
it's
better.
visible.
Thanks for watching. If you guys want to see more content with this G80, like driving on the Nürburgring, maxing it out on the Autobahn, then hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see my YouTube trailer, look up here. Alright, thanks.